Hello, these are some poses which will be good for you to do in the morning. And so I'm going to demonstrate each different one. There are 5 poses. This one is a wide-legged stance. It's called Prasarita Padottanasana. And so you lace your hands behind your back and let your arms go straight. Pull your shoulders back, legs straight, and toes forward. Bend forward from your hips, letting your arms reach up and over your back, letting your head and neck drop so that the crown of your head drops down toward the earth. It helps reverse the blood flow, bring some blood into your brain and into your heart and your organs, stretches your entire back body. Hold this a few breaths. You can either come up easy with your hands on your thighs and round all the way up, or bring your body up from where you were. I hope you enjoy that delicious stretch.